flavor. Smell like a sugar cane, taste like a wasabi. We use for make soup and curry paste, Taiwan. But no more teacher. It's hot and spicy flavor we use for make tea, just. Tofu and shallot. Step 2 shrimp or chicken. Step 3 KT egg นะคะ Step 4 noodle and sauce together. Step 5 all vegetable. 1 tofu, 2 meat and shallot, 3 KT egg, 4 noodle and sauce together, 5 all vegetable. Do you remember? Okay. Answer everyone around 10 seconds นะคะ everyone. Okay, smell from shallot. Step 2, shrimp in, chicken in. Flip and turn, like this, everyone stir, flip and turn. When everything is cooked, chicken change to clear white color and shrimp change to orange color. You can crack the egg, everyone. Shrimp very easy to cook, but chicken is, and egg in. And leave it a few minutes for crispy flavor. When you see the white egg, scramble egg like the omelette. When you see the white egg like this, everyone, scramble egg like the omelette. Scramble. Noodle in and sauce in together. Important, everyone. When you add noodle and sauce, use maximum heat. So like a 9 o'clock again when you add noodle and sauce. And you can use back food, everyone. Place the noodle like this and roll. Make noodle cook faster. Place and roll. And make it dry. Now you can don't serious, everyone. And mix everything together. Okay. No cut pie, keep smiling. Okay. Can put everything on side like this. Okay, 10 seconds. Okay. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! And off you guys, everyone. Very easy. And this is a banana leaf. Everyone, we use for decorate, for presentation, banana leaf. Or chop. If you like sour, you can squeeze the lime. And pad thai, we eat with roasted peanut and chili powder on top. But if you don't like, everyone, on top or on side like this is okay. Chili powder on top or on side same. For decorate, for presentation, for your photo, and look like expensive pad thai. Your turn. Thank you so much. ขอบคุณค่ะ Thank you.